6. Even if we lost everything, I'd still have you, and that's what matters the most. Many men feel that if they don't provide, protect, and serve, that they are not fully male. If they become ill, lose their job, or aren't around when crises occur, they may feel derelict in their honor obligations to their partners. Men who know that they are deeply loved and wanted, separate from what they should do or be, are grateful that they don't have to suit up and show up no matter how they feel or what the circumstances are. 7. I promise. No more than 3 questions in a row. When partners come together at the end of a day, women too often begin an interrogative process. As people who weave the past into the future, they naturally live throughout the day thinking about what their partners might be doing. Often, when they reconnect, they want to fill in what has been missing, and long for a rundown of anything important that happened during their time apart. Men, on the other hand, when reconnecting after time apart, usually want to relax and to let go of their day's concerns. They want to live in the present and enjoy the moment. If they are pushed to recall experiences that they would just as soon forget, they may respond with curt, impatient answers. Women who want to make their men comfortable should limit their questions, or only make statements, such as, "I'm so glad you're home and would love to hear about your day," and only when you're ready to talk. 8. I never want to own you, or for you to feel obligated to be with me. For many women, romantic love is about security. That means the future is somehow assured and their partners mustn't change a great deal without their agreement. From a man's viewpoint, they are asking their men to live in emotional captivity without ever doing or saying anything that could threaten the loss of the relationship. Women need to understand that their men must be free to love without the fear of entrapment, while accepting their men's needs for novelty and innovation. They would never want their man to be with them while wishing he was somewhere else. Interestingly, men who fall in love with women who love without possession rarely leave them. 9. I feel the safest when you're near me. Male partners usually do want to make their lovers feel safe and secure, if they feel appreciated and unencumbered by too much neediness. If their women are too dependent on them and need constant reassurance, they may feel burdened or irritated. But when their woman is not overly needy or insecure, men can feel free to open up and connect. Most men want to protect their women and feel pride when they can. 10. Bald is really sexy. Men have several concerns that they rarely share with their partners, for fear they will not be seen as attractive or valuable. Losing their hair is one of them. So is difficulty with erections, not being tall enough, not having strong, straight shoulders, not making enough money, not being physically fit, or being inept in emotionally laden verbal exchanges. So many women do not see these vulnerable concerns in their men and as a result, don't develop the sensitivity that can help their partners want to share these uncomfortable feelings. A woman who sees her man as exciting and valuable chooses to minimize his flaws and to concentrate on the things about him she loves and treasures. If he believes that she is sincere, he will feel better about sharing his worries and appreciate her support.